We all know I love to dance through life, and now my blinds and curtains can dance along with me. In the living room, we previously had these old roller blinds, which obviously didn't look very good at all. But look at this, we've transformed the room with these gorgeous 100% linen sheer curtains. They're so elegant and it's such a soft and natural fiber. It's just so beautiful. And an added bonus is the height. For the floor to ceiling sheer curtains just transformed the space and made it look so much bigger. And of course, everything is electric, so with the touch of a button, they open. And in this space, our main concern was privacy. It's like, hello neighbors, we're all sitting out here entertaining. But with the MagnaTrack awning, it was the perfect solution. Look at that. It also means we can use this area all year round, no matter what the weather is, whether it's rain or shine. Maddie, time to get up. You can also control everything from your phone and set schedules, which is really handy when you need to get the kids out of bed. Sorry. Not sorry. Keep moving on. Don't you just love it on the weekend when the early morning sun comes streaming into the bedroom? Well, I don't. That's why we went for blockouts. This little window here was a bit tricky for us because obviously we wanted the block out like the other window in the bedroom, but if it was completely open, then that didn't work because we could see into the neighbors. So this was the perfect solution. It is the Duo Light. It gives us the block out plus the privacy. So this is option number 1, block out. And then option number 2, so it's sheer and it lets in that beautiful light. You've also got the privacy. It's the perfect glow up. I didn't know how easy it was going to be to transform our whole home by just simply changing our window coverings. No major renovations or constructions. It was just effortless with Luxaflex. Keep moving.